heart. Just when you almost stop, someone opened the door for you. Like looking back on an old adventure, maybe a perilous one. The survivor looks and learns. Things are happening, don't you know? Things are happening, starting to show. Things are happening, don't you know? Things are happening. Obstacles coming from every direction, streaming down. They're talking, they're always on the verge. I'm alive, healthy and free.
So after a short few hours of sleep and recovery, another 30 today or so, and we're going to Mono Mills. So we are on a road, 4 kilometers. It's called the Escarpment Side Road. Actually, we're super lucky because the clouds just rolled in instead of the sun blasting us in the face for 4 kilometers. We have a little bit of a chill to the wind. It's coming from so far away, it's hard to know for sure whether what I hear is music or the wind through an open door. Well, living in the country never did me no harm, raising me family and working on the farm. Days are all filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, got me old fiddle, got the sun coming up the kicks on the riddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Yeah.
So we're just talking about freedom and being free to go on this adventure and just walk across the landscape. That's the greatest feeling in the world. To just take off and be free. I really don't mind if you sit this one out. Your words but a whisper, your deafness a shout. I may make you feel, but I can't make you think. My words. So we finished our 4K road section. Back on trail. Clouds rolling in, might get some rain this afternoon. Not a problem. On a pterodactyl lake?
Yeah, that's what I think it is.
As we walk down the road and we're singing our song, the wind blows in our beard and the day is not long. And we're walking with sore feet and our legs have fell off.
We're a hard traveling man, you will see.
But we're hard traveling man, you will see. These are signs we've seen so far on the trail. Gravity exists. Hazards exist.
That'll be fun.
Wait for a gap in the traffic before you cross the road. Wait for a gap. Okay, and now we've got our legal notice as we enter Glen Haffy Conservation Area. If you want to take 20 minutes and read that and then sign the waivers at the waiver station. Howdy, partners. So we made it to the milestone of Highway 9. Some beautiful country to come. And we're still alive, so I think that's a good sign. Still alive and kicking. How's your bloody stump feet? I don't know why they make these hikes so easy.
Woo!
We kicked ass.
Crushing miles.
Another day,
Still
crushing
hiking.
miles.
Woo!
So sometimes at the end of a long day, you get a great reward.
Ride yourselves over the
fields and you wrinkle your animal teeth, and your wise men don't know how it feels to be thick as a brick